Spraymaster Quick Startup and Maintenance Guide. Turn the unit on with the on-off switch. Ensure the GFCI power cord or GFCI outlet is in good condition. Make sure the water supply faucet is fully turned on. Make sure the water supply tank is full of water. If using chemicals, make sure the following is completed. The chemical bucket is at least halfway full, and the chemical bucket is no further than 6 feet away from the unit. The chemical supply tube is fully submerged in the chemical bucket. The chemical supply tube is not cracked, and the chemical supply tube filter screen is not clogged. Check the oil level. Make sure the oil is at the proper level using the sight glass on the pump. If needed, add more oil until filled to the center of the sight glass. Check all hoses for any cracks or breakage. Check the spray wand for damaged fittings, nozzle, and/or trigger. Replace as needed. When ready to use, follow these steps. Wear protective eyewear and clothing. Connect the hose and attach the accessories prior to turning on the unit. Turn the water on at the supply valve. Turn the unit on by using the on-off switch. Firmly grasp the accessory and point in a safe direction. To apply chemical, pull the trigger on your Spraymaster accessory on the low pressure setting. Ensure that the chemical dial is fully open. Once the chemical is flowing, adjust the dial to ensure proper chemical dilution. Note: let chemicals soak according to the manufacturer's instructions. To rinse, use the high pressure spray setting on your Spraymaster accessory on the surface or equipment to be cleaned. After cleaning, flush the chemical from the chemical injector by removing the chemical supply tube and placing it in a clean container of water. Turn the chemical dial fully to the flush side of the dial. Operate the spray wand on the low pressure setting for approximately 1 minute or until all chemicals have been flushed from the unit. Turn the on-off switch to off and squeeze the trigger of your Spraymaster accessory to release the system pressure. Spraymaster, engineered for cleaner and safer workspaces.